Hi everyone, Mini here. How are you all doing? So the purpose for me doing this vlog is an incident just happened to me. I was in the movie town theater, and the fire alarm went off. Now, if the fire alarm is not working properly, then it's something as critical as a fire alarm. It needs to be fixed. But instead of somebody come and tell us that it's a malfunction or something like that. I was in the movie theater watching a movie, having relaxed watching the movie, and the fire alarm went off. Not once, 2 times, 3 times, and nobody come up and say anything. So when I went and asked, I was told that it's malfunctioning and everything is okay. I mean, how is everything okay when the fire alarm is going off? Everything can't be okay. If you have a business, do not cut corners on electrical or anything. When you have a business, when you have a business, you have to ensure that your fire alarm is working well, and those important facilities to ensure the safety of your business. I don't expect that when I'm sitting in a movie theater and the fire alarm goes off, nobody comes and say anything or explain anything, and I have to go and I have to find out and I have to ask what's happening. Anyway, my son and I was in the movie theater, and I just left because my life is much more important. I really wanted to watch the movie, but I am not going to stay and watch the movie because the fire alarm went off again, and I was told it's just a problem. I have known that some Guyanese people, they like to cut corners. They like to cut corners when they're building things. They like to cut corners when they're doing electrical stuff using cheap electrical things. When it comes to people's life, I would say to business who are building buildings and running electricals, running electricity wires and whatever it is, find the best material, find the best everything when it comes to wiring, security cameras, security, whatever installation, whatever products you're using. Let it be the best quality. Don't use substandard. If you use substandard product to do your wiring and anything to do with security, you're not going to get good results. You're going to get things that malfunction and don't last. And many people like to cut corners. I am not saying that this is a case of that, but I am just putting it out there that important things, that security and safety of a building, you have to be proactive, and you have to put safety of your business first. Do not use substandard materials for wiring, security system, or anything of that sort, because in the long run you will suffer the consequence. So I had to leave the movie because the alarm just keep going off. I can't trust anyone, one person who's standing at one place all the time to tell me that everything is okay. If the alarm is going off, then I need to be alert and be concerned, because I'm worried. I have my kid and I'm worried that nobody's telling you anything. I don't even know if the fire extinguisher is working. So this is something that I just wanted to say to people. A lot of construction are going on. Please do not use substandard materials or equipment to construct your building, and if you have issues, you need to troubleshoot them so that you don't inconvenience customers. I was inconvenienced today. I had a hard week. I came to relax to watch a movie. The movie is a nice movie. I was very much relaxed until the fire alarm went off. Not one time, two times, and nobody would come and try to 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 say, well, something is happening. I got up and I asked, and then they said everything is okay. Sometimes it trip. I don't know about sometimes it trip. When you're sitting in a movie theater, I don't know. I don't understand that. So I just wanted to put this message out there that you have to get your security problems sorted out if you're gonna have customers in your building. And if you're building new building and structures, ensure you don't use substandard materials or equipment or tools or any substandard anything, because you're not gonna get good results. I just wanted to say that and put it out there, because I know people like to cut corners in this country. As I've seen and I've experienced myself, people like to cut corners. Do not cut corners when it comes to the security of your building or people's life. Don't cut corners. That is what this is an impromptu vlog, all because of what I experienced here. And I'm sitting here in Movietong parking lot here, and it was a horrible experience to sit in a movie theater and experience a fire alarm going off, not once, twice, and nobody's telling me. People like to see some people, they'll see the smoke and then they're gonna run. Me, once the fire alarm goes off, I out. So that's the difference between me and people. Some people have to see the smoke. I don't have to see the smoke. Once the technology did that, I'm whatever. So I came out the building. That is something I want to say. That is something I just wanted to say. Yes, do not use substandard material for anything. All right, that's just my experience I wanted to share after having come out and had such a horrible experience. Thank you all for looking at my vlogs and my channel. Thank you all very much, and thank you for all the support, and see you all next time. Bye.